Hello friend, today we will see what is profit loss. So I have written some formula here in profit loss series. So first we will see what is mark price from formula. So in mark price there are two formula important, that is discount and discount percentage. So discount is equal to mark minus selling price. Discount percentage is equal to discount divided by mark price into 100. Then second we have profit and loss formula, that is profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. So I have one example for it. Let us read what is example. If shopkeeper bring a cloth of rupees 100, so shopkeeper here brings cloth of rupees 100, bring cloth of rupees 100, so and sells it for rupees 120. So selling price, that is SP, 120. Then what is profit? So 100 is here cost price, CP. So for profit we have this formula. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Profit is selling price, that is SP, minus cost price, that is CP. So selling price is 120, cost price is 100. So 120 minus 100 is 20 rupees profit is here. If sales at 80, then what will be loss? So for loss we have formula, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So loss is equal to cost price, that is CP, minus selling price, SP. Cost price is here 100, selling price is here 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. This is loss. Then if sales at 80, then what will be loss? This we have calculated now. If mark price is 140 and sales at 120, mark price is 140 and sales at 120, what will be discount? So for discount we will see this formula. So discount is equal to mark price, MP, minus selling price. So MP is 140 minus selling is 120, so 20 rupees discount. If I want to calculate discount percentage, then I have this formula, that is discount percentage is DP, then discount divided by mark price into 100. Discount divided by mark price into 100. So discount is rupees 20. 20 divided by mark price, that is 140 into 100. This 0 gets cancelled. 2 2s are 7. 2 10s are 10 into 10 is 100. 100 divided by 7. So 100 divided by 7, 7 ones are 1. Then 3 is remaining. 7 4s are 28. Then 2 is remaining. 7 2s are 14. 6 is remaining. 60. Then 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are, so 14.28% is discount is here for the case of mark price. Here in one example I have shown you three conditions. So we have covered till now this formula and this formula and this formula. Now we have to cover these two formula, that is profit percentage, loss percentage. So profit and loss percentage we will calculate. profit divided by cost price into 100. So PP, that is profit percentage, is profit divided by cost price into 100. So let us consider this is the condition. So profit is here 20 divided by 100 into 100. 100 gets cancelled, 20% profit. Let us calculate loss percentage. So LP is equal to loss divided by cost price into hundreds. So L divided by CP into 100. Let us consider second case. So here loss is 20 divided by 100 into 100, that is 20%. So I have shown you profit and loss, all four cases and formula. If you have any doubt related with this example, if you have any similar example, you can write it in comment section. I will definitely try to solve it, and request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, like it and share it. Thanks.